guys, and welcome to another vlog. So you guys, I just had the best sleep ever. To be honest, like I actually woke up like 2 hours ago, but I've just been in bed. Right now it is 12 p.m. and yeah, today is Saturday. I can't even wait to start my day. I actually have a lot of things to do today. First of all, I have to go out right now. I have to go to the post office because I want to go and get something that I need for today. Two, I have to buy turkey because I want to cook. I want to cook turkey. 3, I have to film for YouTube. I have to film my live updates for YouTube. The live update should be up already, so if you watch the live update, know that I filmed it today. So yeah, I have to film the live updates. And what else? I also have a client today, but in the night, because like there's going to be a party this night. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do today. My hand is paining me from holding this camera. Yeah, I think that's all. But like all this things going to take time, so I have to actually start now. I'm going to go take a shower and then I'll be heading out. Then yeah, okay, let's go.
I see you from across the room. I don't know what to say to you. Don't think I can avoid you.
Music.
I'm still here, don't know that I've been waiting all night. I can't get used to letting you go. I hope you know that I don't want to go nowhere, cause I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. We can go somewhere to be alone on our own. If you want, I can show you just how much I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. I need you in my life for one night. Oh, one night. I need you in my life for one night. Just one night.
Guys, it is so cold. Hey guys, oh, I think I should wear my bonnet. It's in cute. Hi guys, I beg, my recap is under here. So hi guys, I just got back. I didn't just get back, no, I lied. The time right now is 5:51. I told you guys that I wanted to shoot my live updates. Sadly, that is not going to happen because I have to do a client's makeup by 8, like I told you guys, and I'm not about to risk it. Okay, I would have actually started like by 5 o'clock, like started doing the live update and all of that, but I was trying to calculate my time. I might not finish early before I like go and do the client's makeup, and I didn't want to be late. Like I didn't want to be late to my client's place, so I just decided to postpone it again. So I'm going to postpone filming. I'm going to be filming tomorrow morning. Obviously I can't do it this night because after like doing the makeup, I'm also going to be going out for the party. But yeah, right now I'm just going to wait. I'll be doing other things that I have to actually do. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to pack my makeup box and everything right now, and then by 8 o'clock, not 8 o'clock, but before 8 o'clock I'll be going. So yeah, I'll see you guys.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used
So guys, this is basically what I take. That's just my ring lights, and over here is my makeup box, and that is all I'm going to be taking. So just trying to put my cover on.
Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Hi guys, so I literally just got back and the time is 2:30 right now. When I tell you I am actually tired, I am tired. But yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup now, then I'll start going like to the events. My whole body is paining me. Just hope I really get to go to the spa tomorrow, because I'm supposed to go to the spa tomorrow to get a massage. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I'll see you guys. Hi guys, so I just finished doing my makeup and getting ready. Show you guys my outfits. I'll show you guys the full thing coming, but yeah, just curled my hair and yeah, I'm going to be going now because I'm already quite late. Ooh. So yeah, the time is 4:25 a.m. and I'm just going.
That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming, that's my crew. Baby, that's my crew. On a weekday with crew, I'm ready to blow. We make it look real easy, but trust you'll never know. We icing out your freezer, ain't no diamonds to go. Set my grills when I'm cheesing, a flow go natural cold. See my wrist, my God, feed my grip, my God.
Hi
Baby, all
guys,
these haters looking like they
morning. Is it morning? No, it's not morning. It's like 3 p.m. So today is Sunday. Today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm already seeing pictures, videos everywhere on Twitter, Instagram. Everybody's just posting. But yeah, last night, you guys already know what happened last night. I went out and I got back like pretty late. I got back by like 7 p.m. And I just slept. I slept. But right now I'm about to film the life updates that I have been postponing. I am tired of postponing this video. I'm going to do it now. I actually have an appointment by 6 p.m. today. I'm going to the spa with my friend, so we're going to go and get a massage and all of that. So you know, so I'm just going to quickly do my makeup and shoot this video. I think I'm going to clean the makeup off before even going to the spa, because I don't think, are you supposed to even wear makeup to spa? But yeah, I don't want to be uncomfortable or anything, so I'm going to clean it off right after I do it. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and yeah, so I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys. I can't wait, to be honest. Okay, bye.
kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather.
Hey guys, oh, let me zoom this out. So I just finished filming for YouTube. I just finished filming the live update right now, and it is almost 6 p.m. Anyway, I'm going now and I'm about to call a cab and then wipe off this makeup. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there, okay?
I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling overseas. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way you dwell, don't you get it? Do it right, hold me tight.
Девочки, вы можете сделать чай себе и зайти в соленую комнату, посидеть здесь. 10 минут. Или попить чай, и потом я вас позову, хорошо?
Сколько минут?
Ну, минут 15-20.
Окей, then. Хорошо.
Все, спасибо.
If you want tea, you can take tea. I think it's free. It's free.
Чай. На
Plastic.
наверху. Это бесплатно.
Хорошо.
About your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself. And the way of how you dwell, I get it. Don't you get it? No. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. That I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told